You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 46.7k level at this area. Yesterday, I talked about the market on the BTC USD 4-hour chart right here. Come back right down from this area to this point, and exact same thing we see right there. And then on ETH, I also talk about the market come back right down, and the same thing on the Bitcoin dominance. I said if you see the market move from this area to the upside, we are going to see the market on BTC move drastically to the upside. Exact same thing we see after the market come back here. We see the market move drastically to this level of resistance. On ETH, I said you're not going to see much move on ETH if you see Bitcoin dominance move to the upside, and exact same thing here. Market is at this level of resistance where the market consolidates. So what are we looking out for right now on the Bitcoin dominance? Are we going to see the market move right up to this level of resistance, or we're going to see the market come back right down? And what is the impact on ETH and BTC? All of these and more into this video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right here on the 1 week chart BTC USDT, I've been talking about this very area, and I say this is the right time to buy Bitcoin for long time holding. Reason is because if you look at historical price action from this very area, market come back down into the negative side of the MACD, and after the market stop formation on the negative side of the MACD and start formation on the positive side, we see the market move right up and create a new all-time high. Now the same thing is happening right now. Market move into the negative side of the MACD around this area with this histogram, and not only that, the MACD line and the signal line is already at the negative region of the MACD. And right now what we are seeing is we are seeing the histogram start formation on the positive side with this very line and this very area. So what it means is that market have a tendency of going back up and create a new high, just like we've seen in the past market movement. And not only that, if you look at this very area, this market come back right down and then go up at this very area and then come back down again to this very level, was not able to create a new low, lower than this previous low right there, and the market move again to create a new high, higher than this previous high. So that means we are seeing higher high and higher low, and the market has created another higher high again. So this is an indication that market is going to move to the upside on the long term using the 1 week chart. So it is very important that if you have a coin you want to hold for long time, this is the right time to buy it, because market have high tendency or capability of moving to the upside and possibly create a new high. This will take months for it to create a new high. Now on the 1 day chart right there, I talked about yesterday that I am looking at the market coming back into this area and retest this level with this very candle. We see the market come back right down, and then we see rejection to the upside, and right now markets tend to move to the upside again. But right now, if you look at this very area where the market is right now, you discover that we are consolidating around this area. There is no much move in this very area, and not only that, we are not seeing enough momentum at this very level. So if you look at this very area very well, there is no momentum on this very candle right here, and it's moving sluggish. That also means that the bulls are not very willing to move the market to the upside. They may be around. I am looking at the market break this very resistance level with a strong bullish candle. If you see that happen, then that means market is going to go up. And then if you see the market go back down, don't take trade as market is coming back down, because this resistance right here, we have resistance right here, resistance right here, will turn support if the market come back down into this very area, and that will make the market to move back up again. So 2 points to pay attention to: this very area of resistance and this very level of support. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the BTC USDT 1 day chart. If you look at the 4-hour chart right here, I talk about the market was at this very level after this rejection to the upside, and the market come back right down, that the market is going to go back down a little bit, and I was expecting the market to come back into this level of support, but the market did not. It's paused around this area and starts to move to the upside. When the market come back to this area, it's finding resistance at this very level, and this resistance, I talk about it as well. And right now what I am looking out for is the market to come back down again. The reason is because this resistance is a very strong resistance. Not only that, we have another strong resistance at this very area, this level level right here is another strong resistance, and this is a 4-hour chart, and you have to understand key resistance levels on your chart as technical analyst. Not only that, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, I also talk about that if we see the market move up a little bit, we are going to see the market on BTC USDT on the 4-hour chart move up in line with it, and the exact same thing we are seeing right there. So that also means that if we continue to see Bitcoin dominance move straight to the upside, we are going to see a massive pump on BTC USDT to the upside in this formation. Okay, so this is what I am paying attention to right now. This very level is very important. If you see a breakout on this level with a bullish close at this very area, then that means market is going to go up, but I want to see the market cut across this very level. So I want to see a breakout on this resistance. Else, if market come back right down to this area as well, it will be a nice time to take a trade. ETH USDT 1-day chart right here, you see the market have been moving parabolically to the upside. There is no significant retracement fan around this area. Rather, market is not moving anymore to the upside. This is a consolidation zone on this very level at the moment. So what I am looking out for right now from this very area of resistance is the market to have some cool off to the downside before we see the markets go up again. So what I am paying attention to right now is this very level of resistance, and I am expecting the market to come back right down to this level of support before we could see the market to move up again. So this is what I am still looking out for right now on ETH USDT 1-day chart. Looking at the 4-hour chart right here, if you look at this level of resistance, market has been coming into this level of rejection, and then right now market is at this very level of resistance again. Now, one thing you have to understand is that this trend line is very important. I need to pay attention to it at the moment. I am expecting the market to come back right down to this area, and then if you see the market break down below this trend line, that means we are going to see Ethereum come back right down into this level of support. So support here will turn support here in the market to move up to this very area. This is what I am paying attention to on Ethereum at the moment. A breakdown will send the market to this very area of support. And on the Bitcoin dominance, yesterday I talked about this very level, and I said I am expecting the market to move up from this area to the upside, and the exact same thing we see right here. Market move up to this very level, and if you look at the BTC, it moves from this area to the upside in line with the Bitcoin dominance. And also on ETH, there is no enough move right there. Just like I said earlier, you have to understand right now that when Bitcoin dominance is going up, BTC will have enough strength to move drastically to the upside than Ethereum will do. And right now on the Bitcoin dominance, market is consolidating around this area. So what does it mean to us as traders? What I am looking out for right now is this area of consolidation. So if I see a breakout on this area of consolidation, which is a resistance level at this point, then that means market is going to ride up to this very level, or even surpass the level to the upside to this very level of resistance. So right now I am paying attention to this very level of resistance. Once you see a breakout, then that means market is going to go up. Not only that, it's going to impact on BTC price. BTC will have capacity of moving to the upside, and then Ethereum will be moving sluggishly with it. This is what I am paying attention to right now on Bitcoin dominance in relation to ETH and also BTC. What do you think about the market right now on Bitcoin? Do you think the market is going to go back right down to this area of support, or we're going to see the market move up and break this level of resistance? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. This weekend we are organizing an intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program. So if you want to join us, please check the description of this video right now. You see a contact and reach out to us immediately and learn how to do simple technical analysis and market prediction. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.